Okay, it is yarn week at Hobby Lobby, and we made it out of the house. And I've had this gift card that's burning a hole in my pocket since my birthday. 3 weeks I've waited. Parking lot looks pretty crowded for this store, so hopefully it won't be too busy in there, at least not in the yarn section where I want to be. So let's go inside and see what we can find. Well, it looks like they've done some restocking since their big clearance. They've got some nice looking colors here. It's pretty. That's really pretty too, but that's that variegated stuff that I can't do it. I cannot allow myself to do it. See, this is what I mean about the variegated yarns. They got such pretty colors and they look so nice. If you knit, they're great. Crocheting, not so much. Okay, we're gonna spin. Still got some empty spots. Oh, those are some pretty ones. See, now that wouldn't be so much of a, whoops, a variegated, kind of like that, stone wash. Let me pick up the one I dropped. I had some of this one before. It's nice. I like that. That one's pretty. Slap my hand. Alright, let me shut this off for a minute so I can take a look. Now, this aisle has the cotton and all the chunky stuff on it. See what they got in the cakes. They have some solids. Sugar Wheel has some solids. I feel like I'm the kid in the toy store and I don't know what I want. Alright, I'm going to shut this off again so I can see what I'm doing. Hey everyone, it's been a few days since I made it to Hobby Lobby and got to use my gift card that I got for my birthday. And to be honest, I overspent. So to start with, I got 2 of these I Love This yarn in soft blue. It is a 4 worsted weight, and you use a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook with it or 5 millimeter knitting needles. Now I picked this particular color because my daughter, for my birthday, had picked me up a few of these blues, and I thought she did a great job. They look great together. So I picked up a couple more. She also had gotten me this color blue, which is medium blue. It is also I Love This yarn. Same thing, it's a worsted. Comes in 355 yards. You use a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook or a 5 millimeter knitting needles. And I just lost my train of thought. So I got 2 more of those to go with what she had picked out for me. She had gotten me a light blue, but I wanted to go 1 shade darker. So I picked out this shade of blue to go with it as well. And this one is just called Dark Country Blue. Also comes in 355 yards. Use a 5.5 millimeter hook. And it is a number 4 worsted weight yarn. So I got 2 of those. Then, being in Florida, it is hard to keep up with like what's coming next for seasons, because we basically have one season. So I go in there expecting fall colors, and no, we're already on winter colors. So I picked out 3 of these, which is not quite a variegated, but it has a nice look to it. This is called Deep Violet. This comes with 252 yards. It is a number 4 worsted, and again uses a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I grabbed 3 of those, and some of these, which I can't show them all to you because I've already gotten into it. To be quite honest, all the granny squares I've been doing, I had to dig into something different. And this one is Mixed Berry. It's a beautiful color. And I am working on a sweater. This is, ooh, don't come undone. This is where I'm at now. That little mark is my row count so that I don't have to keep going back and counting. So I've got 46 of 53 rows so far on this. And so, yeah, I got into that already. Then, for the worsted weight acrylic yarn category, I picked up this ivory color because I wanted an off-white. Just one. Then there are so many great projects out there that you really need to use cotton yarn on. So I picked up the quite a few things of cotton. And yes, I couldn't control myself. I got some variegated. So this is, I love this cotton. And they say it's a print. This one is called Harvest Hues. It only has 153 yards on it, and it calls for a 5.5 millimeter hook. Now, I had also wanted a thicker cotton because the cottons that I do have call for like a 3 to a 3.5 millimeter hook, which hurts my hands. So that's one of the reasons that I was really looking at the cotton, because I wanted a thicker one to work with. So I picked up 3 of those and this beautiful green for a solid to go with it. And this is called Sage. And it comes with 180 yards and has 5.5 millimeters. Now these say they're $3.99, but everything was 30% off because I waited for Yarn Week. I tortured myself for 3 weeks waiting for the yarn to cycle back around to be on sale so that I could get more for my money. So I got 2 of those to go with the Harvest Hues. And then back to the winter colors, which I kind of went very similar to the colors I picked out to make that sweater with. And this one is just called Purple. 180 yards, 5.5 millimeter hook, $3.99 with 30% off. I love this cotton. So I picked out 2 of those with 2 of these to go with it, which is Amethyst. It says 250 Amethyst, 180 yards, 5.5 millimeter hook. And I had 2 of those. And also, to go with that, this beautiful variegated print. And it is called Sunsetting. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's worked up, especially since I have some solids to go with it. So you get 153 yards. It's 100% cotton, 5.5 millimeter hook, $3.99 with 30% off. So I saved, what, about $1.20. And I got 2 of those. So these are colors to go with a potential project. And, hang on, not Hobby Lobby, but Lion Brand. They were running a special where if you bought one of their kits, like the pattern and then the yarn they recommend to go with it, you were getting 35% off. Plus I had some reward certificates. And this feels fabulous. This is Lion Brand Heartland yarn. And you get 251 yards per skein. It's a medium 4. Calls for a 6 millimeter hook. And this one is Carlsbad Caverns. That's an interesting name. Kind of looks like a denim to me. But I got 6 skeins of these because I ordered it through a kit to also get the pattern. So 6 of those wonderful colors from Lion Brand. So that went from like being a $40 price tag down to 27 and some change with the discount, because there are 6 of them. So, and I only noticed it came up on the top of my computer screen when I was on there looking, that the kits, you get, enter this code and you get 35% off. So that's what I did. Also, while I was at Hobby Lobby, I don't know if any of you watched my dice bag video and saw me struggling to get the bead put on my bag on the drawstring straps. So I picked up a couple of packages of beads that have larger holes in it so I can go back and fix that bag properly and not have to struggle. So these were not on sale. But, you know, for $2 you get a bag full, and then you have some for any projects you might be working on. So that's all I have. That is my yarn haul. All this beautiful, beautiful color choices. And we will talk to you in the next video.